Durga was my mentor, and I learned a lot under him, especially during the Durga Puja, because as a kid, for us it was the biggest, you can say, get together, or it was festival, and we enjoyed it a lot. It was the place where all the family, the friends, and it was a place where we could make new girlfriends. So it was a very important place for all of us. But anyway, so Devganga was there on every step. We were under him. He was the mountain, and we never thought that a day will come when the responsibility which he had on his shoulder will fall on our shoulders. And even till last year, when Devganga was there, we were very happy to do the other things, but we were very secure and safe that this mountain of a man is there, and the puja will go on very well. It is going to reach its peak. We'll have a fantastic puja, because when he stood there and the way he conducted everybody, that is the reason today this Durga Puja has reached this height. There were times when getting the Durga Ma and for the immersion, we used to have so much of our heartbeats used to go for a toss, because Devganga always every year he wanted a bigger idol. So the idols every year started becoming bigger and bigger, and it came to a point where even 50 people couldn't lift it. And I remember Devganga should think that next year how we are going to do the immersion, or how we are going to get the idol to the pandal. Then he started thinking, and it was because of him. Today the idol comes on a forklift. We had the biggest immersion, because we are the only people who could do the immersion in Juhu Beach with a crane. Durga Ma's idol used to go up in the sky, but like about 50 feet high. Everybody should see it, and then the immersion used to happen. So all these innovative ideas he got. He lived in this Durga Puja in such a way that even towards the last few days, when we were interacting, he used to only talk about the Durga Puja being like the way it is. He always wanted it bigger. For him, the show should go on. And that is the reason why many people thought that this year we have lost three of our pillars. My father, Devganga, my Vishima. But it was his wish that the show should go on. It will still be the biggest Durga Puja of the country, and this core team is working on it. Every member of our Durga Puja committee is working very hard to see that this year we will have the biggest Durga Puja. We have a beautiful theme this year of Pashupatinath temple. So I feel this year is going to be a very landmark puja, even though the pillars are not there, but definitely the spirit of Devganga is there to guide us, and everybody will be missing him standing there on the stage, guiding us.